What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can send crypto from Revolut to Bitget. So let's get started. Also, if you guys are interested in stock market investing or stock trading with zero fees, you can open an account with Trading212 and use the promo code from the description below to get one free stock worth up to $100, euros or pounds depending on your currency. And now let's continue. Now, first off, we will need to get our Bitget deposit address, so the address to which we will send our crypto to. So let's go ahead and open Bitget for that. Now, once you're on your Bitget account, just go ahead and click on the asset section in the bottom right. Now, from here to deposit, we would need to click add funds right here. And because we're depositing crypto or sending crypto from Revolut to Bitget, we will select deposit crypto. Now here in the search bar, you can just input the cryptocurrency that you would like to receive. So in my case, let's select Solana. And now once you have selected your cryptocurrency, your deposit address will load. So from here, just go ahead and copy your address of the crypto that you would like to deposit and just keep an eye that the network is the correct network. So in my case, I copied my Solana network address for Solana, but in other networks such as Ethereum, you might see some different addresses. So because in my case this is Solana right here, I will also select Solana on the Revolut side, which you will see in just a moment. Now once the address is copied, you can exit the Bitget account and open the Revolut app. So once you log in into your Revolut app, you would need to go to the crypto section right here. And on the crypto section, you would be able to see the cryptos that you currently own. So in my case, I only own some Solana, so I will select Solana. And from here, once you're on the desired cryptocurrency page, you would need to click on the three dots in the bottom right and select the send option. Now, this page is probably blurred by Revolut, but this is just essentially a page where you would need to add the address that we copied from our Bitget account, aka our deposit address. So I will just input the address in the search bar and then select the first search result, which says that the address is not in my contacts because I didn't add it. Now, once you selected that, you would need to input the amount of the cryptocurrency that you would like to transfer or send from Revolut to Bitget. Now, right under the amount of the crypto that you can input is the network. So in my case, it says Solana, which is corresponding to the network from which we copied our Solana deposit address. Now, just keep in mind that the network needs to be same as the network on our Bitget account. So for example, you can input one Solana and then click review transfer. Once you click review transfer, go ahead and click send. Now, once you click send, the amount of cryptocurrency that you inputted will be sent from your Revolut account to your Bitget account. And once you send over your crypto, you can again open your Bitget account and just wait for that amount of cryptocurrency to arrive onto your assets tab. And that's guys how you can send crypto from Revolut to Bitget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.